Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Hello students, let's continue the chapter playing with numbers. Now we are going to do practice of some questions of the same concept that we have discussed in the last class. So as you see, here are some questions. Let us try to solve them. The first one is 3a plus 25 and the summation is given equal to b2. A and b here represents one digit only. Right, now just see 5, what should be added to 5? Here you are getting 2, right? 2 you get when you add 7 here, right? So instead of a, if we write 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 is the carry over here. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1 6. So instead of b, what will come? 6. So value of a is 7 and value of b is 6. Like this we need to think, apply the logics and find the unknown digits a, b and c, whatever are given in the question. As you can see in the second question, what is given? A 8 and 4 9, right? That means 4a and 98, these are two digits number and the answer is a 3-digit number CB3. Okay, in 8 what should be added so that we get 3? It should be 13. Then what should be added? 5. 8 and 5 is 13. 1 is the carry over here. 9 and 1 10. 10 and 4 is 14. So it will be 14. The value of C is 1. The value of B is 4 and the value of A is 5 here. Clear? Moving on to the next question. So let us discuss question number 3. Here see, A and A is there and by multiplying these two we should get A only, that is the same digit. So we tried with 5. If I try with 5, 5 5s are 25 I'll get. The carry will be 2. So 5 1s are 5 and 2 is 7, not 9. So 5 is the wrong option here. So we should try another one. Let us try with 0. Because when we multiply 0 with 0, then also what are we going to get? 0, the same digit. But 10 multiplied with 0 will give us 0 as the answer. But what is the answer? 9a. So let us try with 6. 6 6 are 36 and carry is 3. So 6 1s are 6 and 3 is 9. So 96 we get. So what is the value of A? It is 6 here. Right? So what are we going to try? Different digit. By multiplying the digit with the same digit, we get the same answer. That means the same unit place. Clear? Okay, let us move ahead now. Okay, let us move to the next question. That is question number 4. Here we have to add AB and 37. The answer will be 6A. A is single digit. B also represent the letters A, B, C here are representing a single digit. So what we have to add in 7 so that we get something here that is exactly same as here. So 3 plus what will be 6? 3 plus 3 we need. So 7 plus 5 if I write, I will get 12, right? 7 and 5 is 12. 1 is the carry over here. So 3 plus 1 is 4. What I should write here? 2 to make it 6. So we see that A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 5 for question number 4. Now in question number 5 we have AB that is to be multiplied with 3 and we should get CAB as the answer. So if you see, I have to multiply this with, so suppose I multiply 3 with 0. So definitely I get 0. So just to see, if I write A 0 cross 3, so I'll get 3 0 is 0, right? That means this B and this is B. Now 3 into A, we are going to get 3A. Right, so what should we write here so that we get here also the same digit, like it should be a 2-digit number, right? So definitely it will start at 4 because 3 3s is 9, that is single digit. So 3 4s are 12, but here it is 4, then here you will get 2. 3 5s are 15, so yes we get 5 here and 3 5s are 15 here like this. So the value of B will be 0 because 3 multiplied with 0 will give us 0 and 3 multiplied with 5 gives us 15. So you see A is 5 here as well as here A is 5. So A is 5, B is 0 and C that is equal to 1. Now in the next part we have AB multiplied with 5 and we should get CAB. So here we should get what? We should get the same answer. When we get the same answer, 5 multiplied with 0. Yes, with 0 we will get 0. Now here we have to take some numbers so that we get the same digit here. Right? So 5 2s are 10. Here it is 2, but here it will be 0. 5 3s are, it is 15. Here it is 3, here it is 5. So we see at 5 5s are, it will be 25. So we see the value of A here and here is exactly same. A is 5, B is 0 and C is 2 in this case. Clear? Let's move ahead and practice some more questions. Again we have 3 more questions. So here see, you have to multiply AB with 6 and the answer that you get is B, the same number that you get here. Clear? How do we do that? So if we start here, just see. In question number 7 we have 6 should be multiplied with what so that we get the same digit. If we multiply 6 with 1 we get 6. We multiply 6 with 2 we get 12. 6 with 3 we get 18 and 6 4s are 24. So we get the 4 as we multiply it with 4 in the units place. So we'll multiply it with 4. So writing here 4. So 6 4s are 24. 2 is the carry over here. Now just to see, 6 should be multiplied with, now we know that B is 4, so here also it is 4 and 4. So we should get now 44. 2 is the carry, we should get 42, right? So that we add 2 and it becomes 44. So at what it will be 42? 7. So what is A here? A is 7 and B is equal to 4. Right? So what we discussed, that 6 should be multiplied with 4, so that we get 4 here. Now 2 is the carry. BB is written here, that means it is 44. So to make it 44 we should have 6 7s are 42. In that we add this 2 carry and then we get 44. Now question number 8, just see, B plus 1 is 0. So what is the value of B? 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry is 1 here. Now just see, we know B is 9. Okay, and here we have A plus 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Here B is there. B is 9 according to us. So we should get 9. So 1 and 1 2. So A should be equal to 7 because 7 plus 2 gives us 9. So A is 7 and B is 9. Let's discuss the last part. We have B plus 1 as 8. Right? So if B plus 1 is 8, B plus 1 is 8, then value of B should be 7. So we got 8 here. Now we have to write 7 here. Now we have 1 here. So it should be 11. So 7 plus 4, A value will be 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 is carry again. And here it is B. B means 7. So we have 2 and 1 3 and here A. So A is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So B value is 7 and A value is, as you see, it is 4 in the question. Clear? So I hope this is understood, all the 3 parts. So you just have to think and see how we can take, what number should be taken, whose carry will make that number equal to, right? So these are the ways that we have to apply to solve these questions. So one more question, that is the last question I am going to discuss about these letters, the missing letters, or I say the missing digits which are given in the form of letters. So after doing this, we are going to discuss about divisibility rules in the next lecture. So let's perform this last question also. Here it is, A plus B gives us 9, right? So what are the two numbers whose sum give us 9? It can be 1 and it can be 8. It can be 2 and 7, it can be 3 and 6, it can be 4 and 5, like this. And then similarly 5, 4, 6, 3, like this. Suppose I write here 1 and I write B as 8. So 8 and 1 is 9. Right? But here just to see, instead of A, if I write 1, 2 plus 1 will be 3, not 0. So let us interchange them. I can write A as 8 and B as 1. So what I am getting? 8 plus 1 is 9. Then I write instead of A 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry will be 1. So now 6 and 1, 7. 7 and 1, 8. So A should be 8 and here it is 8. So yes, this is verified. A value is 8 and B value is 1 in this question. Clear? So that is all for this session. We are going to discuss about divisibility rule in the next. So stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.